Climate change is no longer a distant threat, it's a present reality, affecting millions worldwide. Scientists warn that without immediate action, temperatures could rise by over 3 degrees Celsius by 2100, leading to catastrophic consequences. Some of the impacts of climate change are rising global temperatures and extreme weather events, melting glaciers, rising sea levels, and ocean acidification, food and water shortages, biodiversity loss, worsening poverty, and economic instability. This is the reality of climate change. Communities have been devastated by severe flooding, displacing thousands. And this is not an isolated incident. Extreme weather is becoming more frequent and more destructive worldwide.
Sida matik chawa retaining wall later nina sai lebaki lerais di dum isingi imai no chawkala kan mathna kai daga sai dal tariba yum kai myam se lekai si maka thumna khotna nuai ta sum.
But climate change isn't just an environmental issue, it's an economic one too. Studies show that developing nations like India face the highest risk, with GDP losses expected beyond a 2 degrees Celsius temperature rise. Extreme heat and unpredictable rainfall have made farming nearly impossible. Food security is at stake. By 2050, prices of cereal grains, sugarcane, and wheat are expected to rise by 39 to 43%, maize by 87 to 106%. Agricultural GDP in Asia is expected to decline by 4% and Africa by 2 to 9%.
Climate change sahi thousands of years mamang dagi lakpa sidai da leramba rate tuga hojika sige tina kui kenare aduna hojikine yam thugalak pagiyama amasu lakpa masi maroina sahi greenhouse gas accumulation se masi last few decades last few centuries le da hingala padagi maroina silai masina mu sahi economic sector leba magi tongan economic sector me am sile impact silai.
Experts say we need urgent policy changes. Cutting emissions, investing in renewable energy, and global cooperation are key to slowing down climate change before it's too late. According to data, 6 biggest emitters in the world are China, USA, India, European Union, Russia, and Brazil. They contribute over 50% of emission, while least developed countries contribute only 3%. Fossil fuels remain the largest contributor to global warming.
India's issue Yamasoba emitters of greenhouse gas China, USA, India, the European Union, Russian Federation, Brazil. We may understand the global greenhouse gas emissions. Sigi Tankai Energy country Sigi regions in the greenhouse gas emissions advanced countries plus China, India's Yordish League, I am more than 50% which they lie in the line. Aduga, she told Agasu, Atoba Levash in the Susi effect is someone in share to the level. See effects. Climate change impacts on economic output. Leva Kudimaka, young Manani, Habilate, developing economies, including India, because the highest risks labor can only develop economies, Maruna, Ingbalam Jinse, more than the even output gain or possibility of.
So what can be done? Experts stress that the solution lies in reducing fossil fuel use, transitioning to renewable energy, and enforcing stricter climate policies. The future is in our hands. Climate change is a global crisis, but there is still time to make a difference. For now, the question remains, will we act before it's too late? This is Joyce Rosham, Impact News, Imphal.